Welcome to Mimi's Cake Decorating School, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite baking tips. The first one is how to avoid mushy carrot cake. Shredded carrots contain a lot of moisture, and that additional moisture can really affect the consistency of your cakes. You can see how much moisture is in these shredded carrots. By squeezing the shredded carrots, you can release a lot of that extra moisture. Look how much we're able to squeeze out of these shredded carrots. Save that carrot juice and use it for smoothies, salad dressings, or soups. Your shredded carrots are lighter and drier, and they still have a little bit of moisture left in them, which makes them perfect for your cake consistencies. When adding shredded carrots to my cake batter, I like to fold them in rather than using my beaters. Here's another great tip that I use all the time when I'm working with different spices and flavors. I start with a small amount of spice, and I want to taste it before I bake it. I add about 1 tablespoon of cake batter into a cupcake liner, and I place it in the microwave on high power for 1 minute, but I'll check it at 30 seconds to see if it's done. Be careful when you take it out of the microwave because it will be very hot. Now you can taste what your cake or cupcakes will taste like before you bake them and see if you need to adjust your spices or flavors. And my last baking tip is if you are not filling a full cupcake pan, put cupcake liners in the center and then add a little bit of water into the empty wells. This will ensure even baking for your cupcakes. I hope these tips will help you with your baking. Thanks again for watching, and for more tutorials you can follow us on Instagram at Mimi's Cake School.